Good morning. Welcome to Kilat Shari Torah's daily review of Maimonides' 613 Mitzvot, the Sefer HaMitzvahs for Wednesday, January the 5th. We're going to talk today about the prohibition of working on Shabbat. We're not supposed to work on Shabbos. This is negative commandment number 320 out of 365. And this prohibition, which is stated in our very own Chumash, the book of Exodus, chapter 20, verse 10 to be specific, says, Lo sasu bo malacha. You're not supposed to do, and you shall not do, y'all shall not do any manner of work on the Shabbos. So the Torah expressly prohibits any kind of work. However, it's very specific about the kind of work that is in question here. We're not talking about serving a meal and doing dishes, as long as you could do that in a Sabbath prescribed method. In other words, in compliance with the laws which will state here, you're allowed to do that. You can move the furniture around in your living room on Shabbos, provided you don't unplug the TV. Who has a TV anyway these days? So you could do that, even though it's a lot of work, but it's not considered malacha in terms of productive work. What are the kinds of productive labor that we're talking about? They number 39. They are in connection to building the tabernacle, building the Mishkan, for reasons which are discussed in Tractate Shabbat, which we happen to be studying now in our Monday afternoon class. And just a quick review of those 39 prohibited labors. They are sowing seeds, plowing, reaping, binding sheaves, threshing, winnowing, cleansing crops, grinding, sifting, kneading, baking, shearing wool, washing or beating or dyeing wool, spinning, weaving, making two loops on a loom, weaving two threads, separating two threads, tying a knot, loosening a knot, sewing two stitches, tearing cloth in order to sew two stitches, hunting, slaughtering or flaying an animal once it's caught, salting it or curing its skin, scraping it or cutting it up, writing two letters, erasing in order to make space to write two letters, building, destroying, pulling down, putting out a fire, lighting a fire, striking with a hammer, in other words, the final hammer blow that makes something ready to use, and taking something out of one domain into another. If you're interested in a conversation about what domains are, exactly what constitutes them, happy to have that conversation and to show you the relevant passages in the Talmud. So this is a transgression which in a sense, denies belief in the Creator. So there's a severe penalty meted out to those who violate it intentionally, that is, with witnesses and warning aforehand. And for someone who unwittingly transgresses Shabbos, they bring a fixed sin offering. That's that. So there's a few more things to do with Shabbos. And then we start talking about Yom Tovim, to which many of the same halachas apply. And we'll speak about that when we get there. In the meantime, have a good day. Join us again tomorrow, and we'll continue the conversation. Take care. Bye-bye.